From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good afternoon and happy Wednesday, everybody. I'm student meteorologist Dylan Berk, and I'll be bringing you your Wednesday afternoon forecast. Let's begin by taking a live look over the Commonwealth, seeing mostly sunny skies here across Pennsylvania, perhaps a few clouds trying to build in here over Beaver Stadium and Altoona, but otherwise, beautiful day here across Pennsylvania. The hub camera seeing very similar conditions, mostly sunny but with a few clouds starting to build in, but temperatures are warming up nicely now, hanging out right around 68 degrees with a calm wind. Dew point right about 52 degrees right now, so that is going to make for a very comfortable afternoon here in State College. And looking at temperatures across central Pennsylvania, very similar story, mostly in the middle to upper 60s here now. Du Bois right around 67 degrees, Altoona 70 degrees, and Harrisburg about 68. And as we zoom out across the entirety of Pennsylvania, again, that story is very similar. Erie 68 degrees, Pittsburgh 70, Philadelphia just a little bit warmer at 72 degrees. And we see those dew points here hanging out right around 50 degrees. And that again is going to make for a very nice afternoon here in Pennsylvania. And taking a look at the radar here, not much to talk about. Perhaps a few clouds trying to come in off the lakeshore, but aside from that, it's going to remain mostly sunny and dry here across Pennsylvania. It isn't until we zoom out that we really see any precipitation. Here, south of the Ozark Plateau in eastern Oklahoma and western Arkansas, we see some heavier showers, maybe some scattered showers developing here in the Midwest and Iowa, and some scattered showers up in the high plains by Montana and the Dakotas. But for the eastern seaboard, it's going to remain mostly sunny and dry today. And now let's take a look at the pressure trends. We're really going to see this high pressure here in the blue start to develop strongly over our region heading into tomorrow and continuing into Friday before a low pressure system wants to develop there east of Charleston. And as that high pressure moves off the east coast, that low is going to make its way right up along the eastern seaboard, bringing some wet weather just in time for our weekend. And now taking a look at future weather, today is going to be a mostly clear and sunny day. It's very nice temperatures, and that will continue into the nighttime, cooling off a little bit overnight with some clouds trying to move in off Lake Erie. But again, heading into tomorrow, the conditions are going to be much the same, sunny and very comfortable before we start to see some clouds moving northward ahead of that coastal low. That will continue into Friday as well, but let's take a broader look over this eastern half of the United States here, and we'll see that high pressure is going to start to slide its way off the eastern coast here as the low pressure system makes its way right up along the coast there, in bringing some wet weather just in time for the whiteout game here in State College. And much of Pennsylvania, perhaps some of the western cities, Erie and Pittsburgh, remaining dry, but that precipitation will continue into the weekend as well. And now taking a look at the State College forecast, mostly sunny skies today, 72 degrees, a very nice day, light wind out of the west about 5 to 10 miles an hour, but overnight, again, mostly clear skies, but it will cool off quite a bit, low of 48 with calm winds tonight. And heading into tomorrow, again, a beautiful day, maybe watching for some early fog in the valleys here, but mostly sunny throughout the day with a high of 76, light wind out of the southeast about 5 to 10 miles an hour. And now let's just take a look at the whiteout forecast, maybe a bit early for this, but taking a look, it'll be mostly cool to start the day if you're going to go tailgating, temperatures hanging out in the mid-60s. But as we get towards kickoff, those showers are going to arrive as temperatures start to cool down a little bit. And by the end of the game, the fourth quarter, we may see some steadier rainfall as temperatures near 60 degrees. And taking a look at your week ahead here, we see the next few days, of course, going to be very beautiful here in State College. But we'll see that coastal system make its way in as temperatures start to lower a little bit, highs in the upper 60s as opposed to low 70s. But as that system moves out by the end of the weekend, we'll see a rebound for the beginning of next work week with highs right around 70 degrees. Thank you everybody so much for tuning in, and have a wonderful day.